And we begin here at 6 o'clock with a Storm Track 15 alert as Acadiana faces another night of cold weather advisories. People bundled up to start their day today with freezing temperatures.
Those will return tonight, along with wind chills as low as 20 degrees. Tonight we have team coverage on this extreme cold snap.
Well, state fire officials out with a warning tonight about space heater safety. This after 2 people in Acadiana have died in house fires. News 15's Dracar Francois talks with fire officials about what you need to know to stay safe.
Plus, experts say these types of cold snaps could become more common. What's causing it, and is there a connection to climate change? Storm Track 15 meteorologist Michael Crowley has the answer to that good question.
But first, we kick off our team coverage with Storm Track 15 Chief Meteorologist Dan Romano. He's tracking the latest on this cold weather. Dan.
Yeah, some of us here across South Louisiana just aren't used to this cold weather. Just ask Dracar Francois. As we take a look at the cold weather advisory that's in place, it includes the hub city areas closer to the coast and to the east. Here across Acadiana, we're looking at wind chills dropping down anywhere between 22 and 30 degrees. And so for all the areas highlighted in blue here, that falls into the criteria of a cold weather advisory. Up to the north and to the west, even though we're looking at similar wind chills there, well, that's going to stay above the cold weather advisory. That's why it's not into effect. But in terms of what we're dealing with right now, we have a thin veil of cloud cover that kind of arrived earlier today. Nonetheless, still very cold. 37 degrees. You factor in that wind out of the north at 14 miles per hour. Feels like 27 in the hub city. So as temperatures drop into the 30s and with double-digit wind speeds across portions of Acadiana, you can see how it feels out there. Anywhere between the upper 20s to low to mid 30s at the moment. Now, at the same time, we're also looking at some clouds moving into the area. This is well ahead of a storm system that will eventually bring soaking rains to the area later this week.